Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing some texture painting with gold leaf. So let's get started. We'll be using 3 canvases. So first we'll be prepping the canvas using a white gesso. This will provide the canvas an even surface and also prevent paint from soaking into the canvas. So apply a very thin layer on all the canvas boards. Now it's dry, I'm using the same gesso to give textures. Spread it on the canvas and let's begin the actual fun part. Here I am using a knife to do the texture, but actually if you don't have a knife, you can use a comb or a scraper or literally anything that could make a texture on the canvas. I'm trying to create a texture that's more like a line, so I'll give an up and down motion with the knife and maybe pour more gesso and repeat it on all the 3 canvases. Once we are done texturing, let it dry completely so that we can start with painting. I'll be using 4 acrylic colors. That's titanium white, black, dark blue and a shade of gold. I'm trying to have a gradient effect. So I'm giving strokes across all the 3 boards, and it need not be very neat, but just go with the flow. And always make sure you color the sides of the canvas, else it won't look good. I'm repeating the same at the top using blue shade. Once this base layer is complete, we'll do one more layer of texturing on top of it. For that, I'm mixing modeling paste with a darker tone of blue. Mix it really well to make a fine paste. Apply it on the top section without completely covering the base. Repeat the same for bottom section with black texturing. Here, I am trying to enhance the gradient effect. For that, I am using 2 shades of blue, with it becoming lighter towards the center. Remember to use a smaller brush for detailing. Continue with fine strokes until you're happy. I must say, it's a bit time consuming, but all worth it. Wait for the final result. The golden shade I'm adding now will serve as the base layer for gold leaf. I'm leaving a very small portion of white at the center. Okay, I feel the black looks a bit out of place at the center, so I'm covering it up with white shade. Ah yes, it looks a lot better. And yeah, I'm adding a few more black strokes, but this time it's more neat and sleek. For applying the gold leaf, we'll use a metal leaf adhesive. Apply it over the gold lines using a fine detailing brush. Lay the gold leaf over the glued areas and gently tap them so that sticks well. Then scrape off the remaining leaf from the board using a bigger brush. And repeat the same across all canvases. Now we'll apply a metal leaf sealer on the gold leaf for protection. Finally, finish it off by spraying a protective clear coating on all the boards. Hope you liked the video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.